Good day, everyone. I'm Edgar S. Sikor from Bagbag National High School with my co-researchers.
Mindful H. Diloy.
Angelis Estoya.
Today, we will present to you our research paper entitled Self-Reflective Tendencies and Classroom Assessment Skills of Junior High School Teachers, Basis for Learning Action Cell Intervention. For introduction and rationale, it is no doubt that classroom assessment plays a vital role in teaching learning process. DepEd Order Number 8, Series 2015 defines classroom assessment as the ongoing process of identifying, gathering, organizing, and interpreting quantitative and qualitative information about what learners know and can do. DepEd Order Number 8, Series 2015, page 1. This is the systematic approach of the curriculum implementation used by teachers to gauge and monitor how much and how well students are learning. Moreover, provides opportunity to tailor fit their instruction with the learner's needs and styles. For key literature, reflective teaching refers to what teachers does inside the classroom and thinks why and how everything works. This involves self-observation and self-evaluation, which are carefully carried out, analyzed, and evaluated to identify and discover one's practices and beliefs. This aims to improve the teaching process, which begins in the classroom as support to professional development according to TIES 2004. by 2000 highlights the three important skills for reflective practice such as self-awareness, which is the ability to think, feel, and sense, critical thinking that challenges assumptions and current practices and explore alternatives, and lastly, reflection, which promotes self-awareness and critical thinking.
For methodology, the study used the quantitative approach that measured the stage and skills and the strength of the relationship with the profile variables. The respondents of the study were 50 junior high school teachers, using non-probability sampling, specifically voluntary response. Sampling in which people choose to participate in surveys because they have strong opinion about the subject. After gathering all the data needed, the researchers used the IBM SPSS version 20 for the analysis of the data. The research was utilized from Tanza Comprehensive National High School. The researchers filled out the research utilization form and received an email afterwards from Sir Norman Barroso granting permission to use the study. The researchers used frequency F, weighted arithmetic, and person-R correlation. For the findings, the analysis of profile reveals that majority of the junior high school teachers is underexperienced. Self-reflective tendency scores show that the highest percentage of the teachers fall in action stage. Teachers perceive their classroom assessment practice as competent. There is no significant relationship with years of teaching, stage of reflective tendency, and classroom assessment practice. On the other hand, a closer look at the cross-tabulation of the data and content analysis of the questionnaires reveals the indication for a teacher intervention. The research probes the stages of self-reflective tendencies on classroom assessment and practice of junior high school teachers and their relationship with the profile variables. The identified strengths and areas of development would be basis for learning action cell intervention. For the implications, the research study showed that self-reflective and classroom assessment skills of the junior high school teachers would have to enhance teaching and learning designs and development professionally such that teachers can help improve or refine their own practices in assessing students for the betterment of the future delivery of instruction.
For the recommendations, the study revealed that teachers failed to use more than one assessment measure to assess students' abilities. Therefore, this leads on giving the teachers techniques, strategies, and practices on how to adequately cater constructive information about what students learned, how well and where they learned. On this matter, the fundamental parts of assessment are thoroughly given emphasis as means of measuring students' learning. Thank you very much and God bless.